You can narrate as you see fit.
Oh, actually. Add this in.
That's 40 taper holder.
Yep. Cat 40.
Oh, you clamp in. You hit the clamp button.
Right here.
Okay.
I'm going to manually move it. Just down to the position. Trying to see it on the kit screen. You can customize the button over here on the clamp.
What does that do?
So you can customize it to do any of these other buttons. So I can customize it to do the clamp, which is what it's currently set to.
Okay.
We'll go through our program list, find the tool that I'm doing, number 77. Tell it to execute. And it's going to automatically move itself into position. Finish its scan. And give us the readout of all the information we need.
Which is?
Length and diameter. The tool that I was on, date and time that it was done.
Okay, and so that way you use that when you do your programming of your machines?
Yes, we update the network that communicates with our CNC machines, and we also keep a logbook with these tags, so we make sure everything's being done and properly.
Okay.
Who does what?
It is. You're
Recording.
Let it move away that all from over here. Looks good.
Okay, great. Ready? So, gonna go ahead and get our tool placed in. Use our clamp button. Got a series of buttons we can use down here. Okay. Then you can use the manual button. Bring it down, in place, until you see it brought up onto the screen. There it is. Okay. Find our program for this tool. This is tool number 77. Select it. Tell it to run. It'll automatically move itself. Right now it is doing a self-calibration. It is aligning itself with the pedestal to make sure all of the measurements that it takes are accurate. And then this specific tool, we've pre-programmed it where to move the camera to find the measurements.
Did it finish?
And it just finished that. So now it gives us a tag with all of the proper dimensions, the length, radius, date, time, which tool it was we did. And then once we're done with that, I can hit the button right here to park, and it'll back it up out of the way.
And then it puts it in your system.
And then I can hit the clamp button again to release the Cat 40.
Okay, thank you.